Hello, everyone. We have already learned about the grading of highways. Highways of different grades have different technical standards in design and construction. In this lesson, we will study the technical standard of highway engineering. The selection of highway grades is closely related to the traffic volume of the area. However, traffic volume is a variable quantity. It is related to the level of economic development and population density of the area. Therefore, when designing highways, we should not only focus on the present, but also make long-term plans. This is also true in life and study. We should view things with a developmental perspective. So, how do we predict traffic volume? Let's learn together. First, the design traffic volume for freeways and first-class highways with main line functions should be predicted for 20 years. For first-class highways with distribution functions and for second- and third-class highways, the design traffic volume should be predicted for 15 years. For fourth-class highways, it can be determined based on actual conditions. Second, the starting year for the design traffic volume prediction should be the planned opening year of the project, as stated in the feasibility study report. Third, the prediction of design traffic volume should fully consider the influence of long-term social and economic development and the comprehensive transportation system within the corridor area. Next, let's take a look at what constitutes the technical standards for highway engineering. The technical standards for highways refer to the specific dimensions and requirements for the technical performance, geometric shape and size, and structural composition of highway roads and structures, which are determined in the form of indicators and clauses to form the technical standards for highway engineering. The technical indicators for highways of each grade are determined based on factors such as the function of the road in the highway network, planned traffic volume, traffic composition, and design speed. The technical standards for highway engineering can generally be divided into 3 categories, including alignment standards, load standards, and clearance standards. Technical standard of highway engineering stipulates the main technical indicators for highways of each grade as follows. Due to the vast territory of our country and the different geographical locations and natural conditions, technical standard of highway engineering should be flexibly applied in combination with actual projects on the premise of meeting basic requirements. In the design of highways, the following 3 points should be noted when applying and using technical indicators. First, the application of standards should be reasonable. Second, the determination of indicators should be prudent. Third, higher indicators should be used as much as possible to create better operating conditions, shorten mileage, and reduce transportation costs. Dear students, national standards and norms are important bases for us in highway design. We must establish a firm awareness of norms and select various technical indicators for highway design according to standards and norms to ensure the safety of people's lives and property. Next, we will learn the next knowledge point: the principles for determining the range of highway land use. Highway construction should effectively implement the principles of protecting arable land and saving land use. When determining the range of highway land use, the following regulations should be complied with. First, the range of highway land use is the land within no less than 1 meter outside the outer edge of the drainage ditch on both sides of the highway embankment, or outside the outer edge of the catchwater drain at the top of the cutting. In conditions permitting, for freeways and first-class highways, no less than 3 meters. For second-class highways, no less than 2 meters within the range of land. Second, when setting up protective facilities in special geological zones, such as sandstorms and snow damage. The range of land use should be determined based on actual land needs. Third, the land use for bridges, tunnels, interchanges, separated grade crossings at grade intersections, traffic safety facilities, service facilities, management facilities, greening, stock ground, and nurseries, etc., should be determined based on actual needs. Dear students, the design and construction of highways are major concerns for the national economy and people's livelihood. When designing, we should pay attention to protecting arable land and achieve harmony between humans and nature, so that the highways designed can benefit both the country and the people. That's all for this lecture. Goodbye, everyone.